Welcome to this tutorial on how to use Multiview on YouTube TV. Multiview allows you to watch up to 4 different programs at the same time, making it easier to keep track of multiple games or shows. First, make sure you have the latest version of the YouTube TV app installed on your device. Open the app and navigate to the Live tab, where you can browse through the available channels. To enable Multiview, click on the Multiview icon, which is usually located at the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to a new screen where you can select the channels you want to watch. You can choose up to 4 channels to include in your Multiview layout. Simply click on the plus icon next to each channel to add it to your layout. You can also rearrange the channels by clicking and dragging them to a new position. Once you have selected your channels, click on the Done button to start watching. You will see all 4 channels playing simultaneously on the screen, with the audio coming from the channel that is currently in focus. You can switch the focus between channels by clicking on the channel you want to listen to. You can also use the audio button to toggle the audio on and off for each channel. In addition to watching multiple channels, Multiview also allows you to browse through the TV guide and schedule recordings. You can do this by clicking on the TV guide icon at the top of the screen, which will take you to a new screen where you can browse through the available programs and schedule recordings. To exit Multiview, simply click on the back button or press the back key on your remote control. This will take you back to the Live tab, where you can continue watching your favorite shows. By following these steps, you can easily use Multiview on YouTube TV to watch multiple programs at the same time. This feature is especially useful for sports fans who want to keep track of multiple games, or for anyone who wants to watch multiple shows at the same time.